paid $35 for this one. Now that it's on sale, I've ordered it in 3 other colors. It has pockets. It's really good quality. I feel like it looks good with everything. I just threw it on over this, even though it wasn't part of my original outfit today, and I still feel like it looks kind of cute with this. I would say it's thicker than a shirt, but not as thick as a jacket. So it's like a true shacket material. I think they have 9 different colors, sizes small through 2X. It definitely runs relaxed, so I'm wearing the medium, and I'm usually a size medium. I probably could do a small, but I like it a bit relaxed because then you can layer underneath it.